let's find out more about how the festival began.
Well, the Prince Lot Hula Festival was founded in 1978 to bring the community together and to share and express Hawaiian culture through hula. And the idea was the brainchild, actually, of Nalani Olds Napoleon, and she and her ohana had roots in Moanalua. And she thought that the Moanalua Gardens would be a great venue to continue the legacy of hula that really began in the 1600s under King Kakuhiheba, who nurtured hula and chanting. Kamananui Valley was the center of hula and chanting in ancient times. And also because Prince Lot had his summer home in Moanalua, and he was the one who helped revive the hula. When it went underground, it was forbidden to be performed in public. And so he invited halau to perform at his parties when he held them at Moanalua. So that was his way of keeping the culture alive. And the Prince Lot Hula Festival then keeps his legacy alive and honors that legacy. The Prince Lot Hula Festival is the largest non-competitive hula celebration in Hawaii. And we have a festival committee who selects the halau, and all the halau are invited. And we look at their connection to Moanalua, and we look at the different hula styles that they represent. And also we try to strike a balance between halau that we've invited over the years and brand new halau in order to give them an opportunity to perform at the festival as well. Well, from its beginnings in 1978, it's changed quite a bit. It was a very small festival. Was first performed on the back of a flatbed truck at Moanalua Gardens. And then it evolved into a larger festival performed on the pa at Moanalua Gardens. And because the festival has become so popular with our kumuhula, so in 2012, we expanded it to a 2-day festival. And then in 2014, we started our Malia Cow Award, and that was because kumuhula, we felt, needed to be recognized for their contribution to the community, to Hawaiian culture, and their dedication to hula.